What's good? So today we're going to be reacting to this video. So yeah, let's react.
These are the craziest nature videos from the past 10 years.
Oh my god! Already, it's insane. Like, we're not even 10 seconds in this video, and this video is now. Okay, yeah, good start so far. So far everything is good. Yeah, let's keep reacting because yeah.
Hold on. Don't move.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
This man went on a tour boat to visit the glaciers in Iceland when a piece of the glacier actually broke off and fell into the water.
Yo, you gotta move, yo, bro, you gotta move. This is scary. I'm gonna hold you. This is actually scary.
Wow.
The wildest thing I've ever tried in my life.
Shit.
Back in 2017, Greenland was hit with a tsunami.
Hey, yo. Oh.
Back in 2020, this cruise ship was on its way to Ireland when it ran into some pretty heavy waves.
Actually flying. Yo, oh my god, this guy is actually flying. Yo, this is lit. Wow, okay.
Back in 2016, these people were hiking in Argentina when they realized that they were in a really bad spot. This guy was loading up his car when he realized that he forgot his wallet.
That saved him. That actually saved him. Like, I'm like, this is crazy. Like, yo, I can't even like. Anyways, I'm talking too much. Yeah.
Back in 2018, this massive mudslide in Switzerland was caught coming down a mountain. In 2023, this driver in China was almost hit by these falling rocks. In 2014, this volcano exploded in Papua New Guinea and it created a huge shockwave.
Here we go.
Oh! Wow, that's cool.
On November 30th, 2018, a 7.0 earthquake hit Alaska. This volcano in Indonesia erupted and created some of the craziest volcano lightning you will ever see.
Wow.
Nebraska had some pretty crazy tornadoes earlier this year. Back in 2019, a super rare event happened that allowed parts of Southern California to receive snow. And they also got to experience what snow and lightning is like.
Got my umbrella, but I know I'm gonna get wet. And look out, like, our street is starting to flood.
Imagine seeing this on your way to work. This is what the morning commute looked like for people driving into Los Angeles back in December 2017.
Yeah, this is like scary. I'm not gonna lie. This is extremely scary. But anyways, yeah. Let's keep.
Back in 2019, this giant landslide happened in China. About 12 months ago, a super intense tornado went past this guy's house in Illinois. This hailstorm in Texas was so intense that the hail started coming inside the home. He left something outside in the rain and had to go get it. About 7 months ago, these people in China were dealing with some pretty crazy wind. Here's another rockslide video that happened in China in 2023. Back in 2015, Los Angeles had a very rare tornado event. About 6 years ago, these people recorded their escape from a wildfire in California.
It's crazy. Yo. That could get in the road. Like, these people can actually get bent. Like, wow. I'm seeing crazy videos.
This reporter in France got a little too close to this wave.
Ah!
Back in 2018 in Hawaii, this car was parked in the worst spot possible.
Shame.
In May 2016, one of the biggest tornadoes in the history of Kansas was spotted.
That's good.
I know that icebergs are bigger underwater than above water, but this is kind of crazy.
It's crazy.
In Pakistan in 2018, these people got a little too close to this avalanche. In 2020, this plane was struck by lightning when flying over Finland. This giant boulder came within inches of crushing this house. Unfortunately, 2 other boulders managed to break free and destroy the other side of the house. In 2019, this cruise ship near Norway encountered some heavy seas.
officially over.
In 2021, these people were rock climbing in Japan when an earthquake happened.
This is the worst. This is actually the worst. Yeah, I'm actually surprised. Damn.
어떻게야?
This snowboarder in Nevada accidentally triggered a giant avalanche. This video from 2015 shows some sailors about to take on a giant wave. In 2021, these firefighters were driving through some pretty crazy wildfires in California.
It's crazy. Yeah, this is crazy.
A 6.7 magnitude earthquake interrupted this couple's wedding. This dad tried to save his trampoline from being blown away in the wind.
Bennett, get out of there!
He will get taken too.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Bennett!
This video from Guatemala is probably the only video in the world like this.
Dice que es grande, ¿va mucha?
Whoa!
Miren, cabal, ahorita lo
Agarraste.
lo agarré cabal.
This is called a crown flash and was spotted in Florida back in 2020.
I hope it's getting it on the camera. I can't even see the screen. Holy. Whoa, look at that! The red one, you see that?
Sometimes during a snowstorm, you can actually get lightning.
Oh!
In April 2022, this massive tornado hit Kansas.
Yeesh.
This is what it's like to get struck by lightning when you're in the cockpit of a plane. In 2018, one of the biggest tornadoes in the history of Wyoming was recorded.
Mira. No, el que viene de abajo. No.
In 2018, 4 waterspouts emerged on the coast of Thailand. A sinkhole in Illinois randomly opened up earlier this year. They were driving down a road in Sydney, Australia when this happened.
Wow.
Whoa! Oh my god!
This guy was in a pool when an earthquake happened in Taiwan earlier this year. This house in Hawaii was devoured by lava back in 2018.
That's insane. That's crazy, bro.
These houses in Montana got buried under some tumbleweeds.
Oh my god!
Oh.
Back in 2022, a huge meteor lit up the sky in Idaho.
Yee. Oh.
In 2020, a snowstorm in New York mixed with freezing rain, turning their homes into ice.
It's crazy.
In June 2020, a massive landslide took place in Norway and went into the sea. All the homes were empty, so luckily nobody was hurt. In 2022, Puerto Rico had flooding that was so severe that it destroyed this bridge.
It's crazy. Bridge gone.
In 2019, a glacier in Iceland fell into the water, creating a massive wave.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
These tourists on a cruise ship suddenly experienced some extreme static electricity. This is actually a pretty scary warning sign, as it means lightning could strike at any moment. In 2019 in Amsterdam, this tornado was created within seconds.
We see? What the f? Yeah, a tornado.
Wyoming had some pretty strong winds that happened earlier this year in April 2024.
It's crazy. Whoa!
This giant tornado was seen moving through Canada.